Just like drunk.
You can't be recording everything, bro. Niggas doing illegal shit.
Alright, so this is for the police. What you YouTube, it's your boy Bright. We back. We're not back, it's my first video. Well, damn. We're gonna vlog. Go a little car meet. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see how shit is. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's the first video. Y'all gonna get hip with me. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? TP. I want to say I rate the fit, but I ain't wearing shit for real. I ain't got no money yet. But we gonna get there, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn. My baby right here. Phone now. I'm gonna take off on the Z to map. I'm not getting used to this vlog and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna go with me. Y'all gonna grind with me. It's only the start. You know what I'm saying? Motivation of the word. I need more confidence. I need more confidence because I be insecure to vlog and show myself, bro. I'm sorry, you know what I'm saying? Y'all with me on this journey. We're gonna grind together for to my life. It's like I don't know. Like I feel like niggas be looking at me and shit. I'm trying to record and shit. Like
Yeah, no, that's a scary. I used to vlog.
That was stressed.
fuck you looking at niggas strapped?
No, looking at you, boy.
Like dumbass.
Bro.
Yo, what's up, man? J2 Vlogs. It's been a minute since we've been in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Now we all gone
Got
out.
the Goodwill fit on.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, these bitches. Levi's 505s, $20. And we got the Glock 48.
How was that, bro?
Police!
That tip hollows, we beat that shit.
Police!
Yeah, I run this shit, man. That's an Asian guy with his black friends chilling.
I'm dead.
Alright, how'd you get to it?
Good shit.
Start with the shoes.
The shoes, these Balenciagas.
Oh, you support Balenciaga?
I'm a, what they did? These Yeezys.
Yeah, start over.
Nah, yeah. What the fuck did Balenciaga? I got these off of Amazon.
It's like
Bro, you
drunk.
can't be recording everything, bro. Niggas doing illegal shit.
Alright, so this is for the police. What you
My car beat your car in the race.
Wait, you beat him?
Yep, on the highway. And he was talking about some, oh,
What,
I
this
needed
right
an
here?
oil change. Boy, this got a turbo in it.
That's always his excuse.
It does make a difference.
But I needed an oil change at the time too. He thought I was capping. I showed them
How
warning.
you
But,
get
yo,
this?
you can get like a USB. I'm just kidding. You didn't hear this.
I guess a little here to serve.
But you don't find the spot. Just like, damn. Man got me in a race.
Nigga go to a car meet, say where the hose at.
That's where the car's at, dude.
That shit is slammed.
Are Nismo's 19?
Is it?
The Nismo's, like the Nissan Nismo.
They be 19?
I'm not sure. Is it?
I don't think so.
You gotta get some cars on that bit.
Yo!
I was gonna get one of these, but I don't think if this was an automatic.
They got an automatic.
You're the only one that I play, baby. We've been together 6 years.
Oh yeah, this shit looks tough. This shit's old and raggedy.
And the best female rider report.
And the best female ride reports right about now. Not if it out. See up there, man. Big up my out, so where they come from.
That was this one fucking popping and shit? Right?
That's how Uzi comes out.
Yeah, for real. That's just tough. You even got one on the top. Bitches everywhere. Bitches.
I didn't either.
Yeah, it's low.
I always want a car like this and put a laptop in it and some DOS like something you can see shit.
To tune it? Use the laptop to tune it. Let's go hit the dog. Hit the dog.
Roll back.